Here I have NOKIA G60, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then when you're in camera tap on this icon here, tap open camera, allow, and now we can scan any QR code. So let's scan this one. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it suggests me to open the page, which has been encoded into this QR code. So you just tap on the search icon and this page will be instantly open. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.